How to personalize settings in Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to personalize your Snapchat settings to make the app work the way you want it. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Snapchat app on your phone and make sure that you are logged into your account. And now here, once inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And now from here, just tap on the gear icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in the settings section, simply tap on your name or the username. And there, if you like, you can change the username too. And there you can also tap on your birthday and your other personal information too. And with that, if you scroll down and tap on the memories, there you can choose whether snaps to save to memories, camera roll, or both. And with that, you can also go back and there you can just tap on the lenses to customize the default camera lenses and shortcuts. And with that, moving forward, if you tap on the two-factor authentication, there you can simply manage all settings to add extra security. And with that, moving forward, you can simply tap on Bitmoji to edit your avatar and outfit. And with that, moving forward, there are many settings option that you can personalize to uplift your account. And that's it. Now you know how to personalize Snapchat settings to make it work exactly how you'd like it. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.